Welcome to Istanbul Airport.
The man responsible for delivering airside safety and efficiency at the largest and best equipped airport in the world is Ozan Karakish, Airside Operations Director of IGA.
The perimeter fence is roughly about 50 kilometers in length. It takes almost an hour to circulate inside the perimeter fence on the service road. At this size of operation, you have lots of different response forces coming from many different places. So communication is, I think, the most important thing that we have in the center of everything. When crisis happens, without communication, everything will stop. But when you come to daily, hourly operation, it's not something that we can live with less communication. The operation cannot continue without communication. And radio, of course, is what we have in the center of everything. The coverage of KENWOOD NexeDN is superb in this airport because regardless where you are, be in the basement or be on the runway, you have the same reception. The most important thing at my level of operation is uninterrupted communication. And today we have uninterrupted communication around the clock. I have crews, fire rescue crews, responding to a fire in the basement, but fire crew where we are sitting now, 4 kilometers away from them, just next to a runway, should hear them to understand what are their exact needs so we can dispatch most optimized response force from this fire station to terminal. So we have equal reception, and I think KENWOOD NexeDN is the solution that makes it possible.